lot of people are doing what's called drinkable collagen. So collagen is the most abundant protein in the body. The idea here is if you can consume the collagen peptides, it will go into your system and then reappear in your skin. Now, to be honest with you, a lot of doctors are on the fence about it. When you consume the collagen and it goes in your system, you digest it or metabolize it, and then the question is, can those chunks then get repurposed back to your skin?
Can they figure out where to go?
Right, exactly, and not necessarily, because the body doesn't recognize it's supposed to go to the skin. Some will end up at the skin, but some may not. This, though, is a different type of collagen, a liquid collagen that you put into juice, like this, like 5 drops.
It doesn't taste like anything.
Doesn't taste anything, good. So this is straight liquid collagen. I'm gonna try this.
That brown stuff?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, I ain't trying that.
While it does have benefits for you, if it can go into your skin, the idea
Nobody
is
knows.
It may not show up. So if you're gonna do it, you know, do it smartly.
Thank you, Ian. That was
Thanks.
awesome.
That was good.